So, hello everybody. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video all winter. I hope that you haven't subscribed because there's not very many mushrooms to get into during winter. So, I just want to do this quick video about telling you that in the springtime, don't worry, there's going to be a lot more mushrooms that I'm going to be showing you. So it's just because it's winter, I can't really do much about it. And there's not very many mushrooms I can talk about that grow in the winter, except for oyster and chaga and then some other mushrooms. But not very many mushrooms grow in winter, so I just wanted to post this quick video just so you know. Bye.